Actually, nung una kami nagkita doon sa ESG, may tinanong niya din ako eh. Tapos parang sabi niya, di ba tatay galing kang editorial dati? Tapos dami ng chika. Tapos parang okay, mga sumunod na mga nakikita.
So we are here in Naiya Terminal 2, currently under major renovation and maraming projects. So ito yung cart natin. Ay,
Vlog ka pa.
hello. Thank you. Self-check-in. Oh, so apparently meron na ring self-check-in sa Naiya Terminal 2 as of year 2026. Wow. So, may self-check-in na dito sa Naiya Terminal 2 as part of the renovation progress of this airport. So, you have option to self-check-in or meron pa namang manual check-in dito. You'll just have to ask for assistance. So, lahat ng flights dito sa Naiya Terminal 2 are handled by Philippine Airlines. So, makikita mo puro PAL lang ang nandito. So, group, enter economy. So, group.
Pero ano ba dito ang
Tada. Ito. Oh, cool. Stig. So, tap na lang. Tap ID na, tap ticket na lang, then you're good to go. Okay. So currently there are under renovation areas here in Naiya Terminal 2. So mostly ang bago dito ay yung mga food section. Mga food section. So let's take a short and quick tour at Naiya Terminal 2. So they have playground for children here. Then yung Air Asia located sa right wing, farther right wing ng Terminal 2. Okay, sige. So apparently under renovation yung ibang locations dito. So, this is what Naiya Terminal 2 look like as of June of year 2026. Marami pang spaces for commercial space, mga food establishments dito na currently wala pang nagrerenta or work in progress and the work in progress. Burger Beast. So, on the right side pala ng domestic area, mostly AirAsia pala dito, sa right wing. Sa right wing tayo eh. Tapos, on the left wing ng Terminal 2, yung Philippine Airlines, which is dun sa dulo nitong terminal. Kalibo, Aklan.
Once again, this is a gate change announcement. We are not yet boarding. For the information of all departing guests, for Asia Flight Z2 221 bound for Katiglan, Boracay. Once again, Z2 221 bound for Katiglan, Boracay. Please be advised that your final gate assigned that will be at gate number 18. Once again, gate number 18. To all departing passengers, Asia Flight Z2
Cafe France.
to kindly proceed at gate number 18. Remain seated.
Dami pang empty spaces dito. Marami pang marami pang future developments sa Terminal 2. So Terminal 2 is also under San Miguel Corporation na rin siya. So parang Terminal 3 na nire-renovate and mini-maintain ni San Miguel. Same din dito. Unlike before in the previous years, ngayon maganda na yung aircon ni Terminal 2. Malamig na dito noon kasi mainit dito if I recall. Mainit ang aircon noon dito. Halos walang aircon noon sa Terminal 2 years before. Ngayon malamig na. So a big plus. Buhay lunch. Ito yung mabuhay lunch. Okay, nasa ano na tayo? Left wing na tayo. So mostly Philippine Airlines na yung mga flight dito. So, kaya pala tayo na dito, may flight tayo papuntang Katiklang, Boracay. Mamayang 11 a.m. So, maya pa naman kasi it's currently 10:05 a.m. So just like the right wing, dito sa left wing, marami ding empty spaces na open for establishment. Ba, amoy yan, amoy sandwich.
Please ensure these items if we need to support the aircraft. When you use the usual resort and
May
meters,
mga work in progress din dito na location.
senior citizen, and will start to indicate as well children, or business passengers on our bus. You'll be looking at the release holders on Hawaii bus.
Oh, ito. Construction of additional comfort rooms at NAIA Terminal 2. Oo nga naman, kasi as I've noticed currently, may 2 locations lang dito. Isang comfort room for the left wing and isang comfort room for the right wing. So yes, buti naman naisipan nila magdagdag ng comfort rooms dito. Okay, we are nearing the end dito sa north wing, also known as left wing. Ito, gate 1. Gate 1. So, we arrive at NAIA Terminal 2. Let's check out the arrivals area of NAIA Terminal 2. Tingnan na. So, ito yung tsura ng arrivals bridge. So, all Philippine Airlines bridge are located here at NAIA Terminal 2. And kahit local, via bridge ang arrivals, which is nice. So, yun. Okay, yun yung eroplano natin, arrivals. So, we are from Boracay, Katiklan. So, ito yung arrivals, local arrivals na NAIA Terminal 2. Yung sa bridge, parang halos wala pang pinagkaiba. So, I guess hindi pa ata nag-start yung renovation sa bridge area, sa arrivals bridge area. Mamaya tignan natin kung ano yung update sa luggage area, if there are new renovations there. Far ahead, the structure far ahead is NAIA Terminal 3, so we have a video of it. So just check out our channel kung ano yung current updates kay NAIA Terminal 3 for 2026. Ayan. Oh, ito na yung luggage area. Mukhang binago nila. May updates dito. Okay. Welcome to NAIA Terminal 2. Ito, PR 2042 Katiklan. Oh, lamig. Lamig ng aircon. Ayos yung design nila sa pader ah. Oh. Sana. Okay. So, may Philippine Tourism. Ito na yung bagong Philippine Tourism Information Center. Tapos, currently under renovation pa yung toilet area. Mukhang malaki pa pagbabago. So, yeah. Ito, Duty Free Philippines. Para sa pasalubong. Tapos lang ako. Yes. Meron dito. Ah, 13. Ah, 8:13. 8:13 ang pick up namin. So, ito yung tsura ng ng arrivals ngayon. Halos wala pa ring masyadong halos wala pa masyadong pinagbago compared last year. Except yung loob lang. Siguro yung ang pinaka-major na nagbago dito, yung mga flight appointment. Yan nga. So, yan. Welcome to Terminal 2.